Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I created my intro for my YouTube videos. I use Videoleap because it's like the easiest thing to use once you master it. It took me maybe like a couple of weeks to like actually get it down. But once you get it down, just cut, click, paste, drag, do all that stuff. You be going at no time. So I'm going to show you guys how I created my intro. Okay, here we go. First thing I did was go to Google to find a free tan background. There was a couple that I liked, but they weren't really giving the vibe I was looking for. So I kind of just went with a more even, plain background. I found this one and I liked it. So I took a screenshot and then I cropped it and saved it to use for my video. The rest of the video will be in this format because Videoleap wouldn't let me switch it to vertical when I was trying to record the rest. So just go ahead and flip your phone to the side, rotate it to watch the rest of the video. Went to my search bar and typed in Videoleap, added our chosen background. To get started, we're going to use the full editor. Make sure to use the 16:9 format for this video. Next, I decided to play around with the fonts to try to figure out what I wanted my brand to say. So basically, I was trying to figure out what I wanted my tone of voice to be for my YouTube channel. I didn't want it to be too serious and I didn't want it to be too playful. I really wanted like the middle ground, that middle mix. So I just went to the text, chose the different font types. As you can see, some of them were not giving what they were supposed to. So I just played around until I finally found the one that I wanted to use. Moving on to color and shape and shadow. My favorite color is blue, but I didn't really feel like it was going with what I wanted to display. So I decided to use a different color, which was like this very nice, elegant, kind of like a coral color. And I really love this shadow that it gave. It gave it a little bit of a different vibe to it as well. So I went with the coral background, the white letters, and I think the, what do you call it, the stroke? You know, the black outline is called a stroke. So I went with the black outline to give it that boom, so it sticks out and it's not just plain white. Also played with the spacing to see if I wanted the letters really close together or really far apart. The far apart was a little bit too much. Yeah, I don't like not being able to like, read what I'm trying to say. Like it looks different than what it's supposed to, but I just kept it there to kind of just, play around and see maybe if I change the spacing and the font, will it go better together? Or if I, change, whatever, will it be better? Then I went to animations and I animated the intro because the intro is going to be a video and we don't want everything to just pop up on the screen. So I animated those. Went back to my pictures to go find what pictures I want to use of myself to put on my intro. You need a little cute picture so we can see what you look like. Because usually on a weekly vlog, you're not always done up. You're not always, so the intro is kind of like the first 4 seconds they see of you. So I found these pictures that I took in Nigeria a couple months ago, and then I added it. I tried this one at first because I thought it was cute, it's very nice, very elegant. And I used the cutout. As you can see, you can just watch the video on the bottom to see what I'm actually doing. I used a cutout to try and like see how it would work. We did a couple of blending techniques to try to blend it in. I chose 3 different photos to try it out, but I wasn't really liking it. So I moved on to this photo, which I really liked a lot. Looks very nice. We did the cutout and it was looking really good. So I just had to change the size of these ones. And yeah, I think we got a good one. It looks really, really good. The thing I like about CapCut is that it really gives you autonomy of what you want to do. Like there's a whole bunch of different, video editing services and they already have a lot of templates, but with Videoleap, there's so much you can do, like a lot. Like look at what I just did here. I literally went to my photo bank, grabbed the pictures I liked, cut them out with the cutout option. You can use the, you know, opacity or however you say that word to like make it, you know, blend in, make it more solid. And, you know, it's just really like, it's really cool. And you can do a lot with Videoleap. So that's why I use them. And you just saw me flip that picture around. So go to transform, click on the picture, and then click on flip. And it'll flip it whatever direction that you want it to be. So far, so good. It's looking really good. I wanted to play around a little bit more and just check out. I'm over here playing it a lot to see how it looks. I love the font, and that spacing actually looks really good. I just kind of try to add some animation to the picture so they're not all popping up at once. You can see I animated them and they popped up individually. Next, we're adding our subscribe button. So you would go to the stickers tab on the bottom and then find whatever subscribe logo you want to use or subscribe sticker. This is my all-time favorite one that I use in all my videos. It's simple. It has the like, it has the bell, and it has a subscribe on it. So it's pretty like straightforward. And we're pretty much done with it. I'm just playing around to see the smoothness of it. I played it probably like 20 times to see, you know, just how it would look. And then I tried different animations for when it comes in and when it comes out, just to kind of see what I like. This is what we have so far. I like it. I like it. I like it. So let's add some audio. We're going to go to the audio tab on the bottom, click on music. You can use either the music that's already provided on Videoleap, or you can use the audio that you have purchased from Apple Music. So I have some songs on Apple Music. I'm using my own song called Intentions for my intro. Make sure to fade the beginning and the outro of your video so it meshes with the rest of your content. But that is it. Downloaded it, and I hope this was helpful. If you need any help, feel free to send me a DM or a comment. Bye.